Well, I made fast work of that. The T-bar ceiling is now down. Now see, the existing sheetrock ceiling is now going to be the new kitchen ceiling. We're going to have to get rid of these light fixtures, the exhaust fan that's not working anymore. We're going to have to figure out what to do about the trim up there. We'll probably put some crown molding up there. And here's some scribe molding on the oak cabinets that's going to be short now. Right on that inside corner there. See? All along there, there's another little piece of scribe molding right there in the corner that stops where the T-bar ceiling used to be. Another scribe molding there. We're going to have to figure out what to do with that. And patch, we're going to have to skim the sheetrock from there up to the ceiling. And from here up to the ceiling. Remember, I just got done skimming this out, and then they decided to take this ceiling out. So now I'm going to have to skim that out, put 2 coats of sheetrock mud up there, and some stuff like that. Okay? That's all for next time, though. Gotta go. Hey, you want to watch the rest of this video series on how I'm going to go up and fix all this stuff up in the ceiling? Stick around. There'll be more videos to come.